There was not a step there.
We don't.
Alright. We've already been introduced. I'm April.
And I'm Steve.
So, what do you guys want to learn about today? Jousting! Alright, so, let me write that up there.
Jousting? Oh my god.
Dungeons and Dragons. What else do you want to learn about? Chivalry. I can't spell those words, so I'll just scribble. Okay. So, I don't know if you guys know this, but I like Renaissance fairs. And the Renaissance in general. And I joust. So, Steve, I'm going to teach you how to joust. Come here.
Alright.
Now, the technique to jousting, hold this stick. Okay? What you want to do?
April, I think you need to tell me some factoids about jousting.
Okay. Some Steve factoids.
Some factoids.
Jousting.
Put stars by them, too.
We'll put stars. Okay, we'll keep going. So, here's a factoid about jousting. You stab your stick into the other guy as he's on the horse riding towards you. Okay? So get like this, like a saddle. Okay? You want the saddle region on the horse. You hold the stick. Okay? And then when the other guy comes at you, you joust. Okay? I think that's how it works. You know. And usually when I go to the Renaissance fairs, I like to wear a corset. You know, it's nice.
So what part of my sensory nerves am I using when I'm jousting?
You know, I don't know neurology, okay? That's your thing. I don't know neurology. Okay? You know, now the med students learn neurology, and that's with you. So don't ask me that. I do the other stuff. ERM, hormones. Hormones. I could say a joke about that, but I'm going to introduce the next act. Thank you, Colin. Alright, so our next act is a Chinese lion dance. And it's going to be great.
Foster Chen. Stan Chu. Min. Come on up, guys.